Good morning, welcome to my one-man studio. Today's video is to teach you how to find out whether the speed limit you were caught in is legal or not legal. The speed limit is not in place unless there's a traffic order making that speed limit legal. To find out that is quite simple. You send an email to the local highway authority. Now most places that's the county council. In a city such as Portsmouth, Southampton, Leeds, Liverpool, they may be their own highways authority. They might have their powers divulged, so you fire off an email to the local highway authority and ask them for a copy of the traffic order. That's all you have to do, and within 20 working days, or effectively a month, that should come back to you. It's important you start doing this work at the first opportunity, because it takes time. You need A, to get the traffic order checked. That can take up to a month. B, you've got to get your photos done in decent daylight, and then you might have to go back at night time and prove whether the lights were working properly anyway. So put the legwork in now, because your time to make a decision, an informed decision as to whether you're going to fight your ticket or not, is ticking away. You know, at the best you've got 28 days for your notice of intended prosecution, and if you name yourself on that, then you've got 28 days to pay the fine, or then you're heading down the road towards getting a summons. So if you're going to fight it, start the work early. Okay? A principal road is a road, there's a trunk road or a main road, and the list of them is kept by the local highway authority. If the road is a principal road, it means that the speed limit in and out of the speed limit, and every time you change speed limit, must be lit if there is a street lamp within 50 metres. Here's some examples of how they should be lit and how they should not be lit, and also the fact that the side roads, all the other signs and the side roads also have to be lit as well, with a specific light to light up the sign. It's no good being on a lamppost if it doesn't shine light onto the face of the sign. The sign must also be to a British standard, and it must be reflectorised. Have to recommend the ABD website. They've got a page on signs, and it is absolutely excellent, and you really ought to have a look, because it's darn so easy to read than the road signing and guarding manual and the law on that. But eventually, if you're actually going to fight on a point of law, you need the law in front of you. If you intend fighting a ticket, you need to go to the PPIPO website, and that's www.pepipoo.com, and then you need to go to the Fight Back forums and start off with the read this first posting. It is a place of excellent advice. Andy Foster on there, on Jeffrey Archer, people who are Mika, really know their stuff. So get in there, have a good read, but at the end of the day, it's your decision whether you are going to fight this ticket, or whether you are going to just cough up the 60 quid, get your points. The trouble is, next time I hope this has helped you understand that the signs must be legal, the traffic order must be in place, and if you've got a ticket, just how to start researching whether the speed limit was actually there in the first place, signed correctly, and therefore whether you have committed an offence. This will give you a kickstart to go out and check and decide for yourself whether you want to fight it. This little film is not sponsored by anybody. This is not, I bear no legal responsibility. If you're going to go to court, you need to know your stuff because you are on your own. All the best.